Welcome to LearningEngineer.com, where we engineer learning for efficiency. My name is Michael Langdon, and today what I want to do is basically show you how to embed a YouTube video into Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010. Now this is really easy, it's not hard at all, but there are a few things you have to do first. Well, of course, first you have to open up PowerPoint. But you also need this developer tab here. Okay, you can see it. So the way we get that up, and it's not usually up, so we have to come to File, and then we have to come down to here to where it says Options, and we're going to click on Options. And now that we clicked on Options, we want to click on Customize Ribbon. Customize Ribbon. So let's click on Customize Ribbon. And then it gets a little trickier here. But over on this side, the right-hand column, you'll see this one called Developer. Now, when you look at it, it will be unchecked, and we want to check it. So there it's unchecked, and now it's checked. We want it to be checked. Once we're done checking it, and that's all you got to do is check that one thing and click OK, then our Developer tab will appear. Okay? And this kind of explains it down here. Okay? You can see MLA formatting in Blackboard. So what I'm going to do is show you how I did this by just bringing up an empty slide. So I'm going to bring up a new slide, and we'll just get rid of this and this. So now here we have a blank slide, and so the first thing we have to do is we have to get up right to this one where it says Controls, and it says More Controls. So if I hold my mouse button there, a tooltip comes up that says More Controls. We're going to click that, and then if we come to the middle of the screen here, you'll see here's a list of controls. And the one we want, now these are in alphabetical order, just so you know, and what we want is the Shockwave Flash Object. This one right here. Once again, the Shockwave Flash Object. Select that one so that it's highlighted like that, and click OK. And now we just have to draw out a box. So we're just going to draw out a box, and this will be the size of our movie. We can readjust this later. And then once we have our movie and we can see it has our handles here and it's selected, we want to right click on it and click on where it says Properties. Okay? And the entry field that we're very concerned about is this one here called Movie. Okay? And so that's where we got to enter some information. Now, I'm going to close this for a second and come back to here. Now, usually when you get the URL of a YouTube video, this is what it looks like, this top one here. Okay? It has all this. It has the website, and then it says watch feature equals player underscore detail page and v equals YSKC-BE15AQ. Okay, all of that. We need to convert that to this. Well, first of all, how do you get this? Well, that's pretty simple. We can come back over here and we'll open up this. And this is the first thing that came up. It's a video game, Battlefield 4 trailer. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how easy this is. You just right click on the video. Okay, and you can see that you have another number of options here. And I'm just going to go with the very first one, copy video URL. So I'm going to click on that. Click. And I can actually close this. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to come back over to this video. Okay? And the first thing I'm actually going to do is just bring in a text box because I want to show you what this URL again looks like. And we'll just paste it in here. Paste. Oops, that was the wrong one. Well, actually I'll come over here and get this one. So here's the MLA formatting in Blackboard. I'm going to right click on it and go copy video URL. And then I'm going to come back to here and get rid of this. This is wrong. This is not what you're going to see. This is what you're going to see. So again, here's this long thing, and all we had to do is right click on the video and click copy video URL. And what we need to do is to get rid of everything from the V over to the /. So all of that has to go. So delete. And then what I want to do is put a / right in front of that V. It's the same key on your keyboard as where the question mark is. And then what I want to do is delete that equal sign. So this is what we're left with. We're left with YouTube.com V and then the sequence of numbers. It's like a serial number for the video. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to come back down here and right click on the box and click Properties. And then in movie data here, I'm just going to click right here, and then I can probably click Paste, and there it's pasted it in. So then I just hit the Enter key, and that's in. Now if I come back over here, or actually I can close this, so let's do that, and come back over here, and there we have it. And so now what I'm just going to do is come up here to slideshow to show you that it works, and I'm going to just go from current slide so that we're going to actually see the current slide that we just did and not the first one that I know works, but just to show you that this works. So here we click from current slide, and there it is. There's the video, and again you can adjust the size of this video if you want it to be smaller. You can be smaller, and I'll show you that it does work. See, it is working.
So today what I want to do is show you how to properly format.
Okay, so there it is. And that's how you embed a YouTube video into a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, this is Michael Langdon. I'm the Learning Engineer, and my channel is Elegant Solution. Have a great day. Bye.